In this video, we'll take a look at all the Flutter videos that are coming up on this channel. So there are three categories: the basic, intermediate, and advanced category. And let's take a look at the type of videos that are coming up. So in the basic category, we'll be looking at these 12 different type of projects or videos. And these, by the way, are their own small mini series. They're, like for example, this to-do app will be 2-3 videos long, and this food delivery app will be about 4 to 5 videos long, right? So so we'll be going over the Dart basics first to begin with, all right, and then we'll have a look at the Flutter widget basics, like the basic widgets in Flutter. Then we'll take a look at advanced styling. Sorry, the spelling of styling is wrong. And then we'll take a look at project structure and the right project structure and how to divide your widgets and screens into different projects, into different folders, sorry. And then we'll start with the projects, the small projects, right? So we'll build a login UI, we'll build a slider app, we'll build a simple drawer on the like the drawer menu on the left, right? We'll build a simple settings and profiles page. So these are things that you usually use on any project, right? And then we'll build a widgets and dashboard UI. Okay, and then these apps like to-do app and quiz app, food delivery app, wallet app, grocery app, these will basically be UIs. These won't be like full apps. These will be like the UIs of those apps, and that's why it's a basic category of videos. Then we have our intermediate category, where we'll build a complete movie selection app. These will be UI apps, right? Movie selection app, but these will have like more advanced UI features, and they'll have a lot of screens. Like when we say restaurant finder app, it'll be like a complete restaurant finder app. Only thing is it'll be just UI based. Then we'll build an Instagram clone, we'll build a UI for a gaming app, we'll build a music collection app. So these will have simple animations and transitions also, so that you'll get to learn that aspect as well. Location exploring app, trip planner, and complete social media app. All of these, right? Social media app being the biggest app in this series. Like I said, all of these titles are their own small series. Like the social media app, it might take somewhere around 4 to 5 hours to complete. So that's why we'll divide it into like 3 to 4 to 5 different videos. All right. And then let's take a look at the advanced category of videos. So the first is complete e-commerce app. So we'll build a complete end-to-end e-commerce app. Again, this won't have any state management. It will be a simple UI app, but it will be like everything that you can think of in an e-commerce app, like the product screen, the product inner screen, the detail screen, like comments and profile screens, logins, and profile settings, all of that, anything that you can expect in an e-commerce app. So all of the things that we have learned from basic and intermediate, we'll be using all of that in our complete e-commerce app. All right. Then we'll start getting into state management. So we'll learn about streams and stream builders, future builders, block providers, and state management. All of this, right? These three topics are really, really big and important. Then we'll build apps with the Firebase backend. Then we'll build AR, augmented reality apps. We'll build artificial intelligence and machine learning apps, and we'll use Cloud Vision, and we'll build some image detection apps as well. So these are the advanced apps that are coming up. Now these can look like really advanced, like AI, ML, and AR with Flutter, right? But don't trust me, they're not going to be super complex, and they're going to be very, very interesting as well. So these are the three different categories of the Flutter learning that we'll do on this channel. So like this video if you are excited about these videos, and also put comments in the comment section below if you want anything specific to be covered. Since I'm still planning these videos, I'm still planning out these series and these projects, you can let me know, so that right now itself I can plan out the other projects if you want to learn something more specific. And do subscribe to this channel, obviously, because only then you'll be able to find out or you'll be notified when any of these videos or videos in these series comes out, right? And so basically we're covering Golang, Node.js, and Flutter, these three big technologies in this on this channel mostly, right? And thank you for watching, and see you in the next episode.